Factoring by grouping. I first want to group my first two terms and my second two terms. Then I notice that they don't both have a number in the first set, but they do both have x. Not just one x in common, but two. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out an x squared. Once I do so, I do the subtraction. 3 minus 2 is just 1x. And here, if these two go away, I'm completely left with -2. So the first set is factored. Now let's factor the second. 5x and -10 have 5 in common. So I'm going to pull out a positive 5. Once I do so, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So I'm just left with this x. -10 divided by 5 is -2. Now I notice they both have this in common. So I write that first. Since I wrote this down already, the next step is to write what's left. The x squared and a plus 5. And it's factored. So number 12 is very similar to this. Now let's look at another one. Number 17. 12x cubed plus 2x squared minus 30x minus 5. I'm going to group the first two terms and the second two terms. In the first two terms, I notice 2 can go into both 12 and 2, so I write that down. Again, I have x squared in common. 12 divided by 2 is 6. I took 2 x's from these 3, so now I only have 1. And since this whole thing is equal to 2x, I'm just going to put a 1, because it's like dividing. 2x squared divided by 2x squared is 1. Now I have -30x minus 5. Well, they both have a -5 in common, so I'm going to pull out -5. -30 divided by -5 is positive 6. And then x, because we have an x. -5 divided by -5 is positive 1. Once again, I have this whole term in common. So I'm going to pull that guy out, and then I write what's left. 2x squared minus 5.